There's another one, Matt.
Oh, what's up? Hey, I heard some weird noises coming from over there, so is it cool if you stay here while I go and check it out? What the heck was that? I'm gonna go check it out.